Yo! What up, YouTube? What up, TikTok? What's good? What's good? What's good? Friday special. Here for a Friday special. And let's see if we can get something happening here. Let's see if we can do the unthinkable. Alright. Let's see if we can do the unthinkable and get something happening here. 30 minute, 15. Let's see if price can break back up into this range. So we can buy it. Let's see if we can buy gold. I want to buy gold. What's up, you guys? Banana eating delay. Yo. Good man, Celsic. Good man. I'm looking for girlfriend. I'm looking for a trade. You know, really we could get the best, we could increase the probability of us winning this trade if we just close our eyes right now and press buy. Most likely. But unfortunately, you can't do that. Rats. Rats. TikTok, what are you talking about? You guys on TikTok can hear me alright, eh? What's your thoughts on supply and demand strats? Yeah, I don't know. It's all the same. Give Sig, what up, Timosis? Funded boy. He's a funded boy. So that's what I'm looking at on gold. Is anyone looking at NQ? Beep, beep, baby. NQ is just kind of like stepping its way up. I'd probably just stick to gold for today. I'll probably stick to gold for the day. I'm testing out this new prop firm. I got a 50K account here. Just got back from the beach slash mall. Why you never open operation in live? I basically have been trading live for the last 6 months on stream. If it flips back, sell? Maybe. We are getting a lot of bearish shit here, but I'd rather buy. Like, I've been trading gold for long enough to know that when it trends like this, just buy. Just look for buy opportunities. I'm from Pakistan, I like your reels. Thank you, brother. Please help me with one thing. I know the strategy, I know what to do. I know I have to wait for candle closures, but I don't know why every time I am entering before candle closure. Yeah, you're just being impatient, my bro. That anticipation that we all feel when trading. You know that feeling that you feel and then you do the thing and you click the button and you know you should have waited? I still feel that as well. I want to do the same. I want to press buy right now. So there's nothing wrong with you and you're not different to any of us here. Some have just practiced the art of saying no to that urge more than others. That's all. Bro, I need $300 to request first payout ever. Give me an A+, bro. Ooh, yeah. I wouldn't be looking for signals if you're trying to get a payout. Just trade, G. Just do whatever you got to the dance. If you got your account up to that point by doing whatever you're doing, just keep doing that. Otherwise, you deserve a donk. Yo, JD trades in the build. What up, fam? Don't wait for retracement, bro. Just look for your opportunity to buy. Gold won't retrace when it's trending like this. I mean, you know, sometimes it will, but I don't know what your system is. With us, it's just like any opportunity that the system arises to give a trade, just take it. Don't ever think, oh, this is the biggest, I've been trading gold for 6 years, every single day for 6 years straight. This is the best piece of advice I could ever give you right now, trading gold. If you ever think this thought in your head, it's too it's moved too much for me to take a buy. Bow, bow. It'll just keep going, bro. So just look for your chance to buy and never think, oh, it's moved too much. I can't buy now. It's probably moved too green already. And then you'll sit back and watch it move another 1,000 pips green. You're like, why did I do that? Long story short, never think it's moved too green. It'll just keep going. You know, this is the last trading day of the week. It's the last session of the week as well. Things could be a little bit different now, but typically that's the psychology you want. I applied for the course, but nobody called me back. Yeah, probably because it's out of your budget or something, bro. When are you going to do a podcast with Nick Stewart? I don't know. Probably never. I don't think. It wouldn't make sense, I don't think. We could do a prayer stream. No, it would be cool to do a podcast, but not about trading. I'd love to talk to him about religion. Yo, what up, Ty? Have you ever purchased... Are you talking about physical gold? Fuck purchasing physical when you can just press buy and make 20k USD. I mean, NZ. Pass your first funds after a year of trying, but I'm unable to stay disciplined. What should I do? Keep trying. That's it. Keep trying. That's literally it. That's the craziest, literally it. Just keep trying. It's like saying, and I always use this analogy for boxers, but it's like a boxer that's trying to become a world champion and he goes, man, I lost a fight. I'm going to quit. Nah, G. You got to get back in there, get back in the training room and just keep working on the craft. Meep, meep, maybe. Who fucks with my hat? This is a Bali spec hat. This hat has Bali law. And you might be like, well, the quality looks kind of shit. What? You think a fucking cheap hat from Bali is going to be shit quality? We've got a minute left here. Let's see what this Cannon wants to do. Are you planning another boxing match with Mayweather? Yes. I was thinking about doing the Orion Traders boxing match thing, but I just can't be bothered. I've got too much shit on. You know, I've had 2 boxing matches in the past, and both times I trained for about 4 months each, like every day, real consistent with the boxing coach, every day. Did the fight, the day after the fight, I never went back to a boxing gym again until the next fight got announced, and then I went and did another 4 months of training, did that fight, and never went back to a boxing gym again. Like, bro's freaking cooked. Oh, you slippery little sausage. Which prop firm are you trying out? This is a super secret, sexy little snake of a prop firm that I don't want to announce yet because the owners could be mad that I announce. I'm just testing it out. All right, so we've got some weird kind of gay closure here. Nothing super interesting. Big wick on the 30. Looks like price might want to move down a little bit. We'll see. Hour. 4 hours still open. Let me open TradingView real quick. Did anyone see that thing? Apparently Top Step have some new little thing where it's like, put 3K on this 3K account and you can, without 1K drawdown, you can win, you can profit or some shit. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? I went on their website to try and find it, but I couldn't see it. Yo, Ari, what up, brother? Good to see ya, good to see ya. What are you gonna do, gold? Still, it's just so bullish. Loose ass funding. Oh fuck. When you say look to the immediate left for key levels that might reject, how far are you looking? I'm just the immediate left. That's why I always say the immediate. So right here is the immediate, just this point here. What dominion of Christianity are you? That's the gayest shit, like to be like a believer of Jesus, but you have to be associated with a particular set of, a particular like part of Christianity. I just follow Jesus, bro. I don't know about anything else. That's it. Can you give me $1 trillion? Yes. Wait, are you really, Jack? Where did you find it? Why can't I see it? You have to go to labs? What the hell's labs? Oh, Top Step Labs. Is that like a different I wonder if they had to make like some sort of different thing, because maybe it doesn't fall under the same jurisdiction as normal simulated trading. Oh look, no, look, it's on their official website, I think. Can you find this through their official website? What's the URL? The URL is topstep.com. So you must be able to. A 25k combine with static. 25k payout cap? What the fuck? I'll have to look into this a bit later. Oh, here's a 3k one. Do you guys like this? Has anyone done this, and what do you think about it? It's already over, sold out? What do you mean? It's trash? Not good? Oh, very cool. Did you get a payout from Top Step? Bro, I've got over 6 figures in payouts from Top Step. Legit. Makes me depressed when I look through it all. I'm like, man, I gotta fucking lock back in on Toppy. Oh. So in your dashboard, it's only limited? But I think if they do well from a prop firm's perspective, I'm sure they'll keep it. Yeah, and left 26k on the table, bro. Fuck. Shit. How do you get past a mental block? It depends what you mean, bro. It depends what's going on, type shit. What is a mental block for you? You know what I mean? Like, what does it mean for you? China. So we'll see what this candle wants to do. All right, trade locker, what are you doing? W trade locker. It's typically 5 payouts until Top Step Movie 2 are live. Let me try that again. US. No, I'm not trading NQ, guys, right now. Is TradeLocker to copy? No, TradeLocker is just a trading platform where you execute the trades. Dan, what is top step secret for type 2 setup, please? Oh, what is the top secret for type 2? There's no such thing, bro. There's no like one secret type shit. Yeah. Oh, you got 2 payouts and they move you to live. Darn. How would you spread first 2K payout? More accounts. Yeah. Dan, is it true that you were starting your own prop firm? If so, what would you make the rules? Bro, what the fuck? Where did you hear that? That's wild. If I made my own prop firm, I would try to find a happy medium. I would try to find a happy medium in terms of rules and pricing and everything, and start super basic. And then as it develops, then add in different shit. Like I would love to add in more things like what Top Step have with the 3K and all these like cool little gay things, and just try out different stuff. Because as the market develops and as the space develops, you're gonna have to try to do different shit to stand out. But the thing in prop trading, if you have a prop firm and you try to do different things like what Top Step are doing with these labs, the only way to find out if it works or not is if you put it into the market. But what if you put it into the market and then people just rinse you? And you're like, God damn, that was an expensive test. So yeah, things take time. Oh, Pez Trade said you're going to make a prop? Fuck. That's wild. Hungy funding. Are you a fun guy? Yes. Yeah, my prop firm motto is 100% guaranteed, no payouts. Bang Bang Banana funding. I saw the Instagram page already. What? I don't know if, I think, nah, that's Cap City. Do you drink alcohol, bro? Yeah, I drink alcohol sometimes. Yeah, sometimes I'll have a drink, for sure. Yeah, 100%. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. China funding. All right, we're getting to closure here. Nothing super interesting just yet. Maybe if this, we'll see. Any chance buy? I would like to buy, yeah. But I would also like to do other things, so we'll see what happens. In the Beninging funding. Who are you in collaboration with? God. Yeah. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream here on a Friday. No one ever trades on Fridays except cool people. I just spent 15K on your prop firm. Was I? Fuck. Yeah, that's gone, G. What setup are you looking for right now? I'm going to see how this candle prints to see if it gives an indication. Yeah, I want to see how this candle prints. Type shit. Give us a nice thummy for that. Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, well, let's see how this candle prints. There's no clear direction just yet. A couple of decently strong red candles pushing down, then we're kind of just holding here for a minute. In long, it's... I don't know, Mohammed. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your trade. Do you still have a student program? Yes, we have a student program. Do you like cigars? Yes, I'll have a cigar every second night, maybe. See what I mean? You just literally close your eyes and press buy. Let's see how this candle closes. If this closes like this, I'll buy on the next. Dubai have Bing Tang or not? Yeah, Dubai has Dubai Tang. It's called D Tang. That sounds zesty. Oh, that must... Let me have a look. That's funny. Fuck, you're right. China prop firm. Follow your IG and YouTube a few years ago. Your face on old video looked so serious. Explained about the M pattern. Wait, what? Daniel, can you give me some money? Let's have a look at your TikTok and then I'll decide. Kim King texts. Yeah, look, I'm based on this profile, I'm gonna have to say definitely not. What is this shit? Why doesn't super glue stick in its own bottle? Wait, that's a fucking good point. Oh no, it's because of oxygen. That's a dumb point, of course. It's just oxygen. Is that right? Oh, you don't even explain it. It's clearly because of oxygen. There's a burger. Have you heard of a firm called Upcomers? No. Oh my god, I hate when my thing just randomly stops doing Google Chrome. Here's Upcomers here. Wow. I got a big discount on at the moment. Are these people legit? Wait, their futures accounts are more expensive than their Forex? They're saying they've got a 90% offer, so their 50K account is usually $3,300. Use this code and you save $2,900. One time only. Damn it, I better get it now, otherwise I'm gonna have to pay $3,000. Yeah. I hate all this shit. Like, what's Thunder, Ash, Ignite? It's just like, here's a 50K account, it costs this much, now suck me off, kind of thing. Like, just keep it that simple. Looks like they're pretty reputable. They have MT5, Trade Locker, C Trader, they got a lot of shit. It's expensive to have all of those. To have MetaTrader alone is like 10K USD a month minimum, like genuinely minimum. All right, here's the closure. If I get this next one to retest and flip, I'll take a buy. Oh, I thought that was a 30 closure. I was gonna say, they seem sus. Like, how have I never heard of them and they're that cheap? It says, look, Upcomers didn't pay me 15K for rules in Wonderland. Wait, did you break the rules? Like, did you break the rules or they just denied your payout? Like, did you blow the account or did you request a payout and they didn't pay? What was it? Dan, as a trader, how do you know women actually want you for not your money? I mean, that's just personal development. You got to learn the skill to read the room. No game. All you guys here, you got to really, if you're a single guy, and even if you're not, because one day you're probably going to be single, You got to learn game, bro. It's wild out in these streets. You have to learn game. Game meaning like just understanding women. You got to understand, learn. You'll never understand. I shouldn't say understand women. I mean like understand the dynamic of how to deal with women. That's what I mean. Otherwise, you'll just get eaten alive, bro. It's too savage out in these streets. How do you do that? You just got to, one, like actually research, start looking into things, and two, experience. Start dealing with women and then start seeing how things act. Like pay attention to how things play out when you act a certain way. Or when they act a certain way and your response, why does fucking TradeLocker keep doing this? It's not a good sign. But yeah, you gotta learn game. It's 2026, man. If you don't have game, yeah, you're gonna have a hard time. You're gonna have a real hard time. But the best game also is becoming rich, shredded, funny, interesting, smart. Like, so the best game is actually self-development. But even you could be all those things, which I am, and I still have to like be on my P's and Q's. 100%. What the fuck are you doing, TradeLocker? Come on, dog. This isn't good, man. This fucking platform's been around for a long time. But every girl is different, bro. No, they're not. There you go. Thank you for saying that. You know what? That's the issue with you, my friend. They're actually not. They're all the same. Whether you're a surgeon, a doctor, a fucking bum that works at Macca's, it doesn't matter. Fundamentally, the way that you interact with them is going to be always the same. You're always going to get the same responses if you act a certain way, regardless. The biggest flaw that you can think is, this one's different. I have to treat the doctor different than I have to treat the girl that works at McDonald's. Wrong. All right, we're getting some sort of pullback here. Let's see. Bro, to be honest, so many of my friends who were deeply in love and the girls were awesome at the beginning and then they just suddenly swoop personalities. Yeah, but I would blame that on the guy. If you did something right in this first place to have a girl fall in love with you, it's probably because you display the traits and the characteristics of somebody that's worth falling in love with. But then with comfort and time, you stop courting her, you stop being like masculine and stop actually doing the things that made her fall for you in the first place. Because women naturally, like, have you ever spent a lot of time with women? Before you know it, you've spent like a couple of hours in bed cuddling and you get like softer and you kind of have to like force yourself. I got to get out of bed and just go to the gym. Like, don't fall into the feminine shit, because that's not why they fell for you in the first place, because you were feminine, you wanted to lay in bed and cuddle. No. So it's like a lot of guys become way too complacent and it really works against you. But don't ever think that you can figure a girl out or figure out her intentions. When I say girls are all the same, I don't mean like all their intentions are the same. Don't ever think, you'll never figure out what a girl's true intentions are. But as long as you know that the way that you act is, you're the dictator. You control the outcome of whatever happens as a man. So you just need to stay consistent in the way that you act and never try and figure her out. But do know that it doesn't matter if she's a doctor or she works at Macca's, they're all the same. I'm trying to think if we want to take a bit of an impulse here. We've got a pretty decently strong closure on the fucking... let me see something. How long we got in the clock? Look at this, how you set a pending order on Trade Locker. Buy stop. Bro, Ty, you can't speak, bro. You're leashed up as well, aren't you? How do you break up with the psycho? That's actually a good question. That's really difficult. If you date a narcissist, which most girls are that are super hot, it actually is very difficult, especially if they've like clung to you as their narcissistic source. It's really tough to break up. I remember I left my ex-girlfriend, textbook narcissist, and when I left her, it was, I can't even get into the stories of how hard it was to actually leave. Like she would physically not let me kind of thing. It is hard, I agree. Your best bet is to pack your bags and just gap it when she goes out. You gotta just gun it, man. Hit the road. My current one is super hot and narcissist. Yeah, they are. Most of them all are, bro. Like the super hots. I mean, how could you not be a narcissist if you're a really attractive girl? Your whole life you've been praised. Your whole life you've been told how pretty you are, how perfect you are. If you're a super hot chick, you can like... A super hot chick is like a billionaire. Like your possibilities are endless. Everyone like, you get anything you want essentially. If this closes small body up here, I'll re-enter. Best box. Bruh. All ex-girlfriends are crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I'm from Brisbane originally. Thoughts on girl going clubs by herself? Yeah, she's getting railed. Fuck, I'm sorry, Jake. I know that you're just out of a relationship. You're probably subliminally talking about your girl. Ah, man. All right, it's true. It's true. I don't take it back. You need it. You need the harsh truth, bro. The pain has to level you up. The pain has to level you up. The pain has to... Because why do we go to clubs? We go to clubs because we're with the boys and we want to have fun and, you know, we want to look sick. We want to look good and then potentially go like, if we pick up a bird or meet a chick and take her back or whatever, it's just like, that's kind of a big part of why we do it. It's no different to girls. Like they want the idea of fun. Girls love fun. Girls want to have fun. Girls just, and they just want to play and be silly, like fun. Like at the core, girls just want to play. So they would never admit it the same way we do, which is like, oh man, let's pick up this bird. But at the end of the day, why else do they spend all the time getting dressed up and going out to drink? It's not a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Any girls here that are offended, I'm not saying it's a bad thing. She's just hanging out with the girls, bro. Thank you, AVG Daily. Yeah, because small body red, like the 30 will look all right. Look at how the 30, we want a bit more of a body in the 30 and we'll buy Crown S trade and oil. This is what I keep saying to you, but bro, like if you keep dwelling on this, but not actually leveling up, you're just gonna, you're gonna get 10 times more cooked. Yo, Abby in the chat. Abzilla in the chat. You guys, who remembers Abby, the one that I was Gonna marry and fly to Dubai. Look, this is Abby here. She's hot, eh? Hopefully Abby hasn't been listening to what we've been saying. Should we do an Abby stream part 2? Make Abby fall in love part 2? Gonna still are, yeah, that's the attitude. I heard it all. No! We revealed the secrets of life. But how do you know if she's genuine, like not into money or something? Because again, that comes back to you, your ability to gauge. And even if she is into money, like good, she should be. Like people think the gold digging thing is a bad thing. I don't think it's necessarily, it's bad if that's the sole purpose of her desire for you. But why would a girl want to go for a brokey as opposed to somebody that has money? Because there's a high probability that the guy with money is actually going to be able to sustain and help and grow a family in the future. Like it makes sense that girls are interested in people with money. But if it's purely that, then obviously that's shallow, but yeah. I mean, not getting railed. Fuck. Wait, what do you say? We're just rebuilding the confidence we lost and looking for a replacement. Not getting railed. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. That's what they say until... Yeah. Yeah. All right, man. We've got a minute and a half. This candle closure is going to dictate a lot. This candle closure is going to dictate a lot. Yeah, legit time. You should want her to have standards. Exactly. Yeah. Oh, gold's retracing back up here. This is a good sign. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, until they get around. Oh, there's news? Nah, there's no news, G. Yeah, we're still trading. Fuck. Bro, look at these dope ass pants I just got. That's my shit. Fucking freezing. All right. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. I got to get out the first minute of this candle. I'll take a buy 100%. Holy third leg. Fuck, bro. That's good. I've got a Pendinor at the break of the high over here. Yeah, I just keep the aircon on fucking freezing because in Dubai right now it's literally, I just went to the beach and I'm not even joking, nobody was there. Zero. I'm like, you guys are bitches. All right, man, can we get a pop here? Can we get a drive up? I'm looking to buy gold. Hey, even $50 is enough, brother. Brother, I already said, based on your profile, I'll decide whether I'm going to give you anything. And I looked at your profile and I didn't like what I saw. Daniel, what's your KD? Wait, what? What the fuck's a KD? Can you please tell me the reason why you're buying gold here? Just looking for price to kind of move up here. Yeah. Bro, top 10 fucking analysis. Let me know if you like what you see. Wait, Abby, what did you send me? Did Abby just send me a nude again? Brother, I'm gonna have to put you in detention because you keep writing that and I don't even want to read it. So you're in detention for a minute to think about your actions. Again. I like it. Which prop firms are best for payouts and rules? Just all of them, bro. Yeah, just all. They're all the same, man. I'm an Indian and I got 4 years experience in the market. Let's go. Let's get Indian with it. Looking to see if these highs can get broken. If this candle breaks its own low, it's a bad sign. Should I put on more size because this is a challenge account? Yeah, right. No. Gold. No. Not a good sign, man. Yeah. All right. Well, there goes that buy idea. Definitely got a nice support level here, though. Yep. I don't want to look at NQ right now, G. Yeah, I'm not interested in NQ right now. Fuck, even people on TikTok are saying, all right, I'll have a quick look. US 100. Oh, yeah. XAU, USD. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream. We've got 800 people here and only 1 like. Come on, man. Abby's never going to fall in love with me if she thinks I can't get likes on a freaking YouTube stream. All right, this kid's... I put this kid in detention. He comes straight back. I'm going to put you for 5 minutes now. I think all the fake gurus have entered your chat. Oh, who? Bro, there's this guy, he's hilarious on TikTok. Has anyone seen him? It's 100% guarantee it's fake. He doesn't show the real ones, but he goes, I'm fading all trader streamers until I get a payout. So whatever streamer takes a trade, he'll do the opposite or whatever. I know, Abby, I'm being sarcastic. She's so adorable and gullible. Dan, how's life going? Life is not too bad. Every day is a struggle, but that's just life. But in the grand schemes of things, I'm not like working on a construction site, so that's a good thing. You know, someone said the other day, bro, does like trading ever get like just exhaust? Like it's just like, is it even worth it? It's too exhausting to sit in front of a screen so much and shit. I'm like, well, it's either this or you go back to Denny's. Like, pick your hard. Pick your hard. Right? Are you longing? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Let's see what happens here. So what are you doing now, Abby? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Abby's channel. Live stream Oh, your live stream. Your last live stream was 2 weeks ago, so maybe you're not living anymore. Abby's trying to replace me with some other Giga Chad. Guys, who's more of a Chad? Oh, he thinks he's got cool glasses? Oh, yeah? Okay. Anyway. Took a break. Dan, is 20 pips enough for a bottom tick? Bottom tick isn't necessarily based on ticks, it's just based on structure. That Giga Chat has working Wi-Fi. Yeah, but, you know... Exactly, you'd never try to replace me. You could try, but it would be very difficult to succeed. I think the only person you could succeed with is if, you know, we bring back Alexander the Great or someone, but he's gone. Look at gold, bro. What are you gonna do, guys? What are you gonna do, bro? Should we buy? China. I don't know, man. This is weird. You're smart, bro. Thank you, bro. Giga Chad doesn't live in Dubai. Why? The issue here, if I was to trade this, like, where the fuck am I going to put my stop loss? And Q took a dump. Yeah, wow. Just put your stop loss wherever your heart desires, eh? Should I try and buy now? I mean... Can you draw an example of structure based on stop loss? That's the thing, I can't. Like, where do I put it? There's nowhere logical for me to put it with what I'm seeing right now. Otherwise, I would probably have entered. NQ on a Friday's rage bait? Yeah. Bruh. Entry on the 1 second chart. Honestly, lately, Asia and London have been kind of dope. Asia's always good with gold. Has anyone noticed NYSE's been like choppy lately? First trade on challenge and lost it. Fuck. I mean, what trade? You look like a Metal Slug character. Is that old school side view game? That was the sickest game. Yeah, I used to love this game on arcade, like the arcade machines. Yeah, this was a dope game. If you had like enough money to play this game and play it a couple times, your family was like pretty well, like you were in a good spot. Passed my first combine? Wait, no you didn't. Oh wow, is this a crazy? Look at this, one of my guys here. T2 cell. Huge. My thought process right now is I'm waiting to see what's happening here. I need to see this candle close. I wanted to buy, but then it came all the way down here, right? And then flipped up, so it's like, nothing I can do. Because even if I were to enter at the break at this high, like where am I going to put my stop loss logically? Like down here? It's too big. Have you tried trading this in my third year, but I still... What up, Sammy? Oh, I have tried trading this in my third year, but still challenged. Yeah. One of your favorite setups, liquidate downside and move up. Yeah. Yeah, I see your logic, but for me personally, I can't. Because it's also like the way that you're reading the market, like the logic behind what you believe the market is doing is different to mine. So everyone has like a different logic. So this move down here, people go, that's like the market intentionally grabbing liquidity and then it will move up. I don't like to believe that the market has intention like that. I do believe in liquidity, but I try not to think about it too much because then I start to believe that the market moves with intention and it's not really just the value of gold moving up and down. And that can be like a slippery slope. You can start to fall into like a schizophrenic delusion about why the market moves. That's why I always bring it back to it's just the value of gold. We're just looking at a bar representing the value of gold. Liquidity. What is this prop firm? This is called, it's secret, top secret prop firm. I can't reveal just yet. I cannot reveal just yet. Can you show your monthly profit and loss? I'll show you my monthly profit and loss at the end of the month. 100% I'll make a video. You can see where my account's up to on my latest YouTube video though. Liquidity. Beep, beep, baby. Yeah, it's a cool platform, right? Right now, buys all that matters. Yeah. Oh, what's this gap? What the fuck is up with Trade Locker? Oh, yeah, no, it did gap. Look. Huh. Liquidity. Bro, I commented 3 times, you didn't reply. Probably because it was just brain rot. Let me have a look. Yeah, I can't see it. Can you check berries engulfing candle where... what the fuck does that mean? How sweet before bros. What happens if my girl goes out clothing? Yeah, she's getting railed. Who's gonna tell him? Do you need a wick for this candle? Bro, I'm trying to make sense of something here. Like, I want to trade as well. I'm not getting anything fucking clear right now. Okay, it's probably gonna move up, but I'm like, what am I gonna do? Where can I enter? I don't even like what I'm seeing with that previous 15. Oh, is this actually Raja? No, it's a fake Raja. A quiet drink with some friends. Yeah. I don't know, man. We'll give it another candle, see if something can happen here. Is NQ still melting? Yep. See Bitcoin flying? Crazy. What up, Dave? Yeah, she's going up. Nah, I seen someone post that in the Dissy though. You talking about this, Dave? Redonkulous. Redonkulous. Who's your mentor? God. God's my mentor. If you use God as a baseline, you should be good to go. Oh yeah, that's right. Abby, you're a Bitcoiner, yeah. Why do I have to pay 1.5k to you? Rather I trade with that capital, don't scam. Right, I don't know what you're talking about, but you already sound tarded. Yo, Pez in the TikTok chat. What up, brother? Pez in the T-Talk. Yeah, I want to trade, man. I like the idea of trading, but need some sort of confirmation. Is your mentorship monthly subscription or one time? It's up to you. You can do either. Yeah. The quit a day. Four hour. Yeah. Let's see how this candle closes, my dudes. And dudettes. Yeah, this is a prop firm. Do you have any students that make more than you? I've got a student podcast coming up soon, which you guys are going to be like shocked. You guys are going to be shocked. Daniel, you should re-look into helping me out, brother. Brother, here's the thing. I know you want money, and your mindset is this is going to help me, but it's actually to your own detriment. Anytime in the past where I've thought about, man, I really needed money right now. If someone could just give me $100, I would be like, I'd be able to like get out of the situation. I ended up having to push through that pain and figure out a way to make it work without somebody giving me something. And because of that, I acquired a new skill in my mind, and I was grateful that no one gave me the fucking cheap way out. So I know you want $100, but you're gonna have to figure a way out and acquire that skill, man. It's gonna pay you dividends later. All right, at least we're getting some sort of pullback here. If this candle closed below here, I'll sell. If you look at these previous candles, there was like a big bearish pullback. It's kind of failing to push up. It's like it's having a hard time pushing up here. If we get a closure below here, I'll sell. Oh, Brandon, is that you from the mentorship? We're just pulling up this trade here. Was this your trade? That's wild. My man. Wait, what did you say? I'm buying a new home and my down payment is from what I have earned with trading gold and working with you? Brother. I mean, trades like this will freaking pay off your mortgage. Beautiful work. Beautiful. Let's freaking get it. Just ease up a bit, gold. It's all good, man. Just ease up a little bit for me, daddy. Wait, what? Gays and Indian here to withdraw. Do you mean to say guys? We are not seeing the whole chart to see if it's uptrend or downtrend. It helps. Yeah, you got to come over to YouTube if you want to see the full chart. I'm live on YouTube. Which prop firms have you had good experience with? All of them. They're all good / shit. They're all good / shit. Yeah, they're all good / shit. Wow, this is pretty tricky stuff here, you guys. Yeah. Well, this how this candle closes is going to decide whether I call it a week. Do you trade on different on personals compared to fundeds? A little bit. I take more trades and I'm more like reckless, not reckless, but I'm more like, I just take more trades on fundeds. On my personal, I'm very selective. Yeah, I'm way more selective on personal. Yeah, how this candle closes is going to dictate whether I call it a week. How's 100K going? 100K count, which started at 50K, is currently at 117,000 USD. $3 minutes here. Let's see what this candle wants to do. Have you blown many prop firm accounts before becoming profitable? Yes. Heaps, bro. Heaps. To pass the challenge, should one be oversizing on high probability trades? It depends how long you've been trading for, bro. If you've got a lot of experience, then you could probably go a bit more aggressive. But if you're still not profitable, I don't suggest so, no. Yeah, sounds about right, Mark. Sounds about right. Like in the early days. I still remember specifically the mirror behind my computer desk. I was writing like 20 prop firms blown, and then I rub it out when I blow another one. I write 22, 23. I remember I got up to like 24 before I ever got funded. Now the mirror's not big enough to write all the numbers. All right, what does this candle want to do? If it closes below, let's do some math here. Small body on the hour. 30 looks ugly. 15, not too bad. Yeah, I might give it a crack. I don't know what you're saying, SMC sniper. Oh, Equity Edge scammed you? Bro, you are the stupidest fuck I've ever met. The whole stream you've been saying the same dumb thing. Like, if you're asking for advice, why have you spent the whole stream asking the same dumb thing? Like, you deserve to lose your money trading. Like, you deserve it. Some people just aren't meant to be traders. Like, you could be here, because obviously you respect me enough to ask a question, right? So you could be here asking questions that could actually benefit your trading, but instead you're asking the same fucking thing every time. The whole stream. Alhamdulillah. All right, man, what do we got? 10 seconds, this candle's... This candle's doo-doo. Oh, it's kind of breaking below. Yeah, righto. I'll have a look. I might have a sell here for my last trade of the freaking year. See if we can get out of the first minute of this candle. Let's see if we can get out of the first minute of this candle. Oh, Robert, I live stream very like sporadic. I wasn't even gonna, like I haven't streamed all week and I wasn't even going to today either, but I just did. All right, let me put a lot on here. Sell. Oh, is that a sell? Sell stop? Yeah. I'm gonna put a sell stop at the break of this low here. Giga Chad strat. Look at the spread here on this prop firm. This is Forex. Look, there's virtually no spread. Crazy. I really no, not you, SMC sniper. I didn't understand what you were trying to say before. Why people ask dumb questions, they can just Google it. Oh, it's not even that. Dumb questions are fine because if you don't know, you don't know. But it's more like Like if you're going to ask questions, like wouldn't you want to actually get value out of the question you're asking instead of just the same stupid thing each time for an hour? When I always say this, when I was on like Raja stream and stuff, I was trying to ask questions, and Don Vo back in the day, I was like, man, I want to like ask a specific technical question to see what they think, and like really trying to get something out of them. I was never like, dude, I'm in a profit. Should I cut size now? It's like, why are you asking someone else what you should do with your trade? Like, I would always ask like technical questions. I want to try and move my thing up a bit. I feel like as soon as I do that, it's gonna fucking... Yes, let me move it. Oh, it's not letting me. Whatever. Oh. What does this look like? Oh, ay. All right. Oh, let's see. Let's see if this can retrace. Don't force a trade? No, it's too late. I'm already forcing it. If it breaks its high one more time, yeah. Let's see what this does here for a sec. All right, now if it breaks its own high, then I'm officially out. I love you too, bro. Oh, contracts expire today? Oh, yeah, true. Let's see what you can do, Goldie. I love you guys. Have a great weekend. Appreciate you jumping on stream. Chop suey here, and that's fine. Don't force anything. Have a good rest of your week and weekend. Love ya. And I'll catch up with you next week. And you mentorship cats, I'll see you in the Dissy and on Sunday for the webinar. Thanks, guys. Appreciate ya. Goodbye. Love you.